Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Garmin Handheld GPS on Amazon. Whether you're going across town or crossing a continent, a Garmin Handheld GPS will keep you on the right course. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Garmin InReach Explorer. The Garmin InReach Explorer Plus is an essential product if you spend time outdoors, whether alone or with others. The device is equipped with an interactive SOS that you can trigger 24/7 to a search and rescue monitoring center. You can also track and share your location with friends and family, which is ideal if you tend to travel alone. Charging the device is convenient and easy, thanks to the rechargeable internal lithium-ion batteries. The manufacturer claims that this GPS tracker lasts up to 100 hours before it needs charging, making it great for the average traveler. For the ultimate convenience, pair the device with the free EarthMate app, which allows you access to unlimited maps, aerial imagery, and USNOAA charts. The EarthMate app also offers more features than the handheld GPS, while enabling you to save battery life when you're on the go. Number 2. Garmin GPS MAP66. If you're searching for a high-quality handheld GPS with excellent customer feedback, the Garmin GPS MAP66 is a great option. Specifically, the large 3-inch sunlight-readable color display enables a clear and easy-to-view screen, no matter the weather conditions. Compared to other devices, you don't have to move the handheld GPS to a certain angle to perfectly view the screen when it's bright outside. The high-resolution, realistic views of your route promise to keep you safe and secure, even in a foreign location. This is all thanks to the direct-to-device downloads of bird's-eye satellite imagery. Plus, you don't need to purchase an annual subscription to receive these benefits, it's all included in your purchase. As a result, you can easily locate parks, discover trails and clearings for campsites, and even create waypoints based on landmarks. This allows you to remain safe but continue having fun on your adventure. Number 3. Garmin Etrex 22X Rugged Handheld GPS. The Garmin Etrex 22X Rugged Handheld GPS is a compact and user-friendly tool for traveling. It has a 2.2-inch color screen that can be read even in sunlight. It has 240 to 320 pixels that provide a much more stable and easy-to-read screen as well. It's ergonomic too, and has rubber grips on the edges that make it fit more firmly in your hand. However, one of its best features is how much data it can store. With an 8GB internal memory chip, the small device is big on CPU power and storage space. World travelers will have to download constant updates about their location, and having plenty of storage will save you time in the long run. It also has a long battery life of around 25 hours and runs off of 2 AA batteries. Not to mention, it is set at a relatively low price for a GPS. However, if you want access to more detailed maps, you will need to download more software. Number 4. Garmin Montana 700i Rugged GPS. The Garmin Montana 700i Rugged GPS is a premium-level device for the avid traveler. It's one of the best handheld GPS units for those who are looking to get out and explore the world. It's 50% larger than the previous model of the same name. It has plenty of built-in advanced features as well. One of its best features that one would hope never to need is the interactive 24/7 SOS signal. This is to ensure rescuers can find your location if you ever find yourself in need of help. It even has text message software so you can send messages. Plus, it can connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for extra versatility and functionality. It's truly a life-saving device that any adventurer should have with them. As a premium handheld GPS, it is expensive. Number 5. Garmin Oregon 700 Handheld GPS. For a sleek and modern-looking handheld GPS, check out the Garmin Oregon 700 Handheld GPS. It may be small, but what it lacks in size it makes up for in everything else. The device has a 3-inch touchscreen display that can be viewed in either landscape or portrait mode. The screen is also rather easy to read outside in the sun as well. When considering a new handheld GPS, price is always something to consider. The Garmin Oregon 700 is set at a surprisingly low and budget-friendly price, considering what's packed inside. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.